Hi, good afternoon children. The teachers have been telling me how hard you've all been working and your work on Seesaw is amazing. Well done everybody. I am very proud of all your Earth Day videos and the Eco School have put it in their newsletter this week saying how well BBIS have been with their Earth Day videos and their positive messages. Well done. Today I'm going to present the certificates. In 1VB, Otto for being enthusiastic and going above and beyond over the last weeks and catching up with all his Seesaw work. Well done. In 1KH, Arthur for consistent enthusiasm and participation and for making morning fun by dressing up often. 2RH, Catty, for a really thoughtful and creative version of the poem Today I Feel. 2VE, Carola, an excellent and enthusiastic communicator. Carola always has a smile on her face and contributes to the discussions, showing confidence and positivity. 3LW, Kevin. Kevin joined our school last year and has shown superb resilience with the learning of English and online learning. He completes his tasks to a high standard. His artwork and creativity have been fantastic, and he is punctual every single day. 3JC, Lutza. Lutza has been active in all lessons, and she has been doing amazing work. We especially enjoyed her MasterChef video. 4SH, Yanshi. Yanshi has shown he is a reflective learner by reading and listening to my feedback and using it to improve his work. A diligent worker. Well done. 4OG, Matty, for not giving up and striving for completing his work and showing resilience with English writing. His poems reflect the creative and sensible person he is. Okay, 5JC, Alice. Alice has put her utmost into lessons, listens well and contributes excellent pieces of learning from her studies. 5TH, Tracy. Tracy always listens to instructions carefully and is able to complete her Seesaw tasks independently to a high standard. Tracy also excels in completing her maths online tasks. 6GB, Botond. Botond always asks questions to clarify meaning and communicates his understanding to everyone in class. He's an attentive, independent student who completes his tasks to the best of his ability. In 6HJ, Shrisai going above and beyond for your effort and enthusiasm for online learning over the past weeks. Well done, keep it up. In PHE, Noah Kapesh, in her background research for the immune system presentation. In language and literacy, Dori Riso, being caring by helping others and being committed to creating a positive learning environment. In maths, Laura Ratoni, being a risk taker by asking questions to help herself and others, understanding the maths tasks this week. In sciences, Noah Kapesh, being principled and working hard in online science lessons this week. Language acquisition, Marcel Sabon, for being principled in taking responsibility in his virtual learning. I&S, Martina Rukandi, for being a thinking and contributing her class ideas to class discussions. In design, Anna Kiss Fabian, for being an inquirer for understanding that when faced with a problem, research can help to understand more about causes, impacts and inspiration for potential solutions. Visual arts, Dori Riso, for showing excellent thinking skills and consistent commitment to tasks. Performing arts, Georg Riedli, for being knowledgeable and making a significant contribution to discussions about civil rights in our unit on protest songs. We also have the NYP Poetry Competition winners, which your teacher has sent me, so I'm going to announce the places. First place in NYP 3, Anna Kish Fabian. In NYP 2, Noah Kipesh, and also plus the Student Choice Award. In NYP 1, Chiara Miruta. Second place, Marcel Sabo in NYP 3. Anna Varidi Sabo in NYP 2. Plus, you've received the Student Choice Award. Oh, and also Laura Gotzi. Third place, Nina Pavlovkovechova, plus Student Choice Award from NYP 3. From NYP 2, Coco Song. From NYP 1, Emma Bareksky. Student Choice Award goes to Dori Riso, NYP 1. What wonderful awards, and lots of names, some of them repeated quite a few times. So obviously they're making a wonderful progress on their online learning. We look forward to welcoming you back next week with lots of fun activities, and we hope you enjoy your weekend outside in the sunshine. Bye, see you next week guys, bye.